Brought to you by the medical professionals at Carpal Pain Solutions, developers of the Carpal RX. If you're pregnant and have carpal tunnel syndrome, you know that the symptoms associated with it are a real problem during your pregnancy. These symptoms can be quite severe, and you're probably asking yourself, how can I get rid of this condition without harming my baby? If you're like most women, you assume herbal supplements are a safe and effective way to treat your symptoms, especially when you're pregnant. But do you really know what's inside your herbal supplements? 98% of herbal supplements are manufactured in third world countries. Also, manufacturing herbal supplements is a completely unregulated business. Once herbal supplements are imported, regulatory agencies like the FDA classify them merely as food, without the manufacturing and safety controls that pharmaceuticals have. Herbal products are usually gathered from fields that are laden with pesticides. They are also gathered by unskilled laborers who are under pressure to gather their quota for the day, and workers often gather vegetation indiscriminately to meet that quota. The sorting and washing process is minimal at best, and by the time the vegetable matter goes through the grinding and drying process, independent analyses have shown that only about 80% of it is the actual desired herbal product. Therefore, when you ingest a capsule of an herbal supplement, you don't know how much herb, filler, or pesticide is really in it. So if you're pregnant and you have carpal tunnel syndrome, is that something that you want to put in your body? Especially when there is much better way of getting rid of your pain and other symptoms without the risk of these substances. That way is the natural, non-invasive method called deep tissue massage therapy. Most people get complete and lasting relief using this method to treat carpal tunnel syndrome. But this isn't your ordinary massage. Pressures are directed outward from your wrist with every circular motion. The longitudinal components of this motion drains fluid away from the carpal tunnel, while the lateral component of this motion breaks the adhesions around the tendons. Thanks to a new technology, you don't have to see a therapist every day to get this treatment. This technology is the amazing Carpal RX. It's like a take-home therapist where you put it on your forearm twice a day for 15 minutes. It's carefully calibrated to produce the same motions, speeds, and pressures that a therapist uses when performing deep tissue massage on your wrist and forearm. And it's so simple to use. Just plug it in, slide it on, strap it in, and relax. So throw away all those splints and braces that just don't work. And why would you even think of taking herbal supplements when they don't work and could potentially harm your baby? If you're pregnant and have carpal tunnel syndrome, you owe it to yourself and your baby to try this remarkably effective and safe product. The Carpal RX always comes with a 60-day free trial. So if you're not totally satisfied, return it for a complete refund of all of your money, including all of your shipping costs. The Carpal RX is guaranteed to get rid of all of your symptoms, and it will do it easily, completely, comfortably, and cost-effectively. Remember, it's completely guaranteed to work for you. Learn more at carpalrx.com.